Welcome back everybody to the 21st episode of Explained. Today we are going to talk about yarn and sliver testing and how SenoLab is moving analysis from the lab into your pocket. I will first give you a deeper insight into the SenoLab and how it helps you to analyze yarns and fibers. We are also going to take a look at how exactly the SenoLab works and discover the possibilities of the device. Finally, we are going to take a look at the benefits. Let's get started. So with the SenoLab, we have created a mobile device that will change the way you analyze samples and obtain measurement results, paving the way for a new era of yarn testing. You can take the handheld device onto the production floor to test slivers or analyze yarn before sending it to your customers. You can also quantify the amount of cotton and polyester and mixed fibers and yarns to make better decisions on how to process them. By relying on the SenoLab, you can save time and resources. But what exactly is the SenoLab? So the SenoLab allows you to see the invisible, identifying yarns and their composition instantly. The main offer includes the SenoCoder, which is the mobile handheld device to perform non-destructive measurements. It also contains the SenoApp, which is our easy-to-use mobile app to analyze and store measurement results. And it also includes applications. One application is included and you have the option to purchase additional applications at any time. But there's more. You can get the SenoLab under a subscription or a single payment at a really good pricing point. And you also receive comprehensive support from our team of experts. By sharing your feedback, you can influence the applications that we develop. But how exactly does the SenoLab work? So, just as every human being has a unique fingerprint, all materials have distinctive optical fingerprints that identify them. They give precise information about the material and its composition. And by using these optical fingerprints, it is possible to identify and quantify different kinds of materials, or more specifically, different types of textile fibers and yarn compositions. This information cannot be seen by the naked eye, but can be made visible by using the power of material sensing. With material sensing, we have taken near-infrared spectroscopy from the laboratory and transferred its powerful capabilities onto a miniaturized chip. This allows you to conduct non-destructive yarn and sliver analysis quickly, easily, and wherever you are. And it lays the foundation for better informed decisions along the whole supply chain. Let's take a look at the possibilities. You can use the SenoLab to conduct tests during production. You can analyze the composition and quality of slivers during production and inspect yarns before shipping them to customers, quickly and non-destructively. You save time and resources by relying on the SenoLab rather than on time-consuming and destructive chemical testing. You can also use the SenoLab to inspect incoming goods, such as blended yarns, for their composition and make better decisions about further processing. This also allows you to report inconsistencies in quality to suppliers immediately. You can also use the SenoLab to ensure better dyeing results by determining the composition of blended yarns to select the right dyeing process and ensure satisfactory results. This helps you to better manage your resources by planning how much dye you require in advance. Finally, let's take a look at your benefits. So the SenoLab is cost effective. It is more affordable than laboratory analysis and enables you to know the precise composition of your yarns and organize your resources accordingly. It is fast and effortless. It used to take several days to send yarn samples to a laboratory and receive the results. And even internal laboratories would take 2 to 3 hours to provide analysis results. Now, with the SenoLab, you can analyze yarns in less than a minute and the results are accessible instantly. It is also safe and convenient. Until now, wet chemical analysis was the prevailing way of testing yarn and sliver samples. This method can be harmful to the health of employees and it can only be conducted by properly trained staff. Additionally, only so many samples can be tested with this method, meaning some inconsistencies in quality may be overlooked. The SenoLab offers a simple solution to pre-analyze yarns and slivers directly on the production floor, requiring wet chemical analysis only if inconsistencies are detected. This saves you resources and protects your employees from exposure to harmful chemicals. The SenoLab is also very easy to understand. You don't require extensive knowledge to perform measurements. The analysis can be conducted without prior experience, and results are easy to interpret and understand. The SenoLab is non-destructive. So with the SenoLab, you can measure yarn on the production floor without needing to cut samples of the yarn spool, analyze yarns and sliver without destroying them, and save valuable resources. Finally, the SenoLab is mobile. It works without any bulky elements, and the measurement device is small, fitting easily into your hands and enabling measurements on the go. If you are interested in learning more or purchasing the device, you can contact our sales and marketing manager Hannah at hannah.zenal@zenorix.com. Make sure to also check out the video description for further information and resources. And subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any further episodes.